Hello everyone. So today's Leetcode daily problem is 3423, maximum difference between adjacent elements in a circular array. So the problem is quite simple. We have a circular array nums and we need to find the maximum absolute difference between adjacent element. So as it is a circular array, so the first and last elements are adjacent. So let's see the example. So first we have nums 1 to 4. So if we calculate the absolute difference for each pair, we will get 1 minus 2 minus 1 and the absolute value will be 1. Then another one is 2 minus 4 and the absolute difference will be 2, and similarly 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So the maximum between all of the pair is 3, so we have to return 3. And the second example, if we can see, the maximum absolute difference from minus 5 minus 10 will be 5, and then minus 10 minus 5 will be again 5, and minus 5 and minus 5 will be 0. So the maximum among all these is 5. Let's see the constraints. So constraints are uh, quite smaller, 100 2 to 100. So we can absolutely run n to the power 4 kind of algorithm, because in we all know that in 1 second we can run 10 to the power 8 operations. So let's see the code. So we have taken the maximum variable and we have initialized it to int min as we want to the maximum result. And it is quite simple that we are iterating over all the elements, adjacent element, and taking the difference and then taking the absolute value, and then again we are comparing it to the previous, getting maximum values and storing it to the maximum variable. And finally we have a check for last element and the first element as the array is given as circular, and then returning the result. So let's run it. Okay, it's fine. Let's submit it. Okay, that does work. Thank you so much everyone.